I get asked a lot by some big pocketed investors as whether they should invest the same amount of money in multiple small units of a studio or a one bed apartment, or whether they should put the same amount in only one big unit, a much higher priced like a villa or a penthouse type of luxury property. Let me tell you in this video what I advise and based on what reasoning and analysis. I'm Ankit, I'm an experienced real estate consultant based here in Dubai, helping international buyers and investors buy real estate in the UAE. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far to get my deep dive analysis, explanations, and comparisons of projects along with the market trends. When you're going to invest in Dubai, you need to first understand where is the supply coming and what is the demand. If the supply of a certain type of property is less and the demand is way more, then definitely the prices of those properties will increase and you will make money on your investment. What I have come across from my deep study on the supply of residential units from the Dubai's land department data is that the supply is significant more in a certain price range and much less in a certain price range. Let me show you. These are the number of total transactions that happened in the years 2022 and 2023, segregating the properties that were involved in the transaction in different price points. Now, if you have a close look here, the supply of properties at less than 2 million dirhams is 60% of the market, while the properties which are more than 5 million dirhams is just 10% of the market. Now, who are the buyers of this section of properties above 5 million dirhams? These are the rich and the ultra rich of the world. And what we have seen in the last few years is that Dubai has become one of the most attractive places for the rich and the ultra rich from across the world to invest and move for varied reasons. It is regarded as a safe haven for them. It is the Switzerland of the Middle East. Now let me talk about the millionaire and high net worth individuals' migration to Dubai. You must have seen a lot of real estate agents sharing these figures of how many millionaires have moved to Dubai from other parts of the world. Let us deep dive a little more. Here is a report by Henley and Partners, which is the global leader in residence and citizenship by investment. They have showcased here that the top countries and territories gaining and losing millionaires in the year 2023. And this one is the estimate for the current year 2024. What they mention is that the UAE, with its zero income tax, golden visas, luxury lifestyle, and strategic location, has entrenched itself as the world's #1 destination for migrating millionaires and is poised to welcome a record net inflow of 6,700 millionaires in 2024. The number of millionaires entering UAE, 6,700, is more than double the number entering the second best nation on this list, the US, which is the world's leading economy. Some of the biggest losers of millionaires here are going to be China, UK, and India. Now, these millionaires are basically individuals with liquid investable wealth of a minimum of 1 million US dollars and more. That means they have the capacity to buy and would preferably live in a property worth more than 5 million dirhams, as 1 million US dollars is approximately 3.67 million dirhams. And if we talk about the transactions above 5 million in the previous 2 years, they have been roughly about 20,000 in Dubai. And just the new millionaires who have moved to the UAE in these past 2 years have been 6,700 and 4,700 That is 11,400 new potential buyers. And we can't ignore that there are already 72,500 millionaires residing in Dubai as per the world's wealthiest cities report 2024, again by Henley and partners. And also the fact that a lot of the rich from across the world who are neither residents nor are migrating to Dubai, they are still buying properties in the real estate market of UAE. So did you see a gap here? All these figures suggest that the demand for the luxury segment of the property market is much more than the supply of the properties in this segment, and hence developers are able to sell out their projects in this category very quickly, where wealthy buyers struggle to find their preferred properties in the market, whether it is in ready, resale, or off plan. Therefore, there is quite an undersupply of fully independent villas in a high end community or seafront luxury grade apartments and penthouses. If you would like to know what are the best options in this segment to choose from, then you can contact me on the mentioned number where I work very closely with you, understanding your goals in detail and working out the best plan forward to choose the right investment option to go for. And if you are still gaining knowledge on the real estate market here in Dubai and UAE, and for now just want to learn more, then please do subscribe to the channel. This is Ankit from Experience Realty, and I will see you soon in another video.